In this video, I'll be discussing family law and the different types of family law that apply during divorce proceedings. I will go into detail on how to navigate these legal matters and provide some key tips for men, covering topics such as assets, children's interests, and parental rights. Most importantly, I will discuss why it is best to work towards saving your marriage if possible before filing a petition for divorce. So stick around until the end to find out more. Family law covers a wide range of legal issues related to marriage and relationships, including prenuptial agreements, alimony payments, separation agreements, child custody arrangements, and adoption processes. It also includes issues surrounding domestic violence and property division when couples separate or get divorced. When it comes to divorces specifically, there are two main types: no-fault divorces, which are based on irreconcilable differences between spouses, or fault-based divorces, which can involve accusations of adultery or abandonment by one spouse against another. Depending on where you live in the world, either type may be easier than others, with no fault being available in countries such as Australia since 1975, but not yet permissible in parts of Europe like France, who still only allow fault-based divorces due solely from infidelity reasons. It is important for men going through a divorce process that they understand their rights under family law before making any decisions about filing for dissolution of their marriage. Generally speaking, across all states, countries, whether fault-based or no-fault divorces take place, both parties must agree upon certain conditions, including how assets should be divided up between them. This could include real estate properties, investments, etc., as well as decisions regarding health insurance coverage, pensions, retirement plans, etc. Then finally, parenting roles, responsibilities, care, timeshare agreements, if applicable, must also be agreed upon too when there are minor children involved at home, with each parent having equal rights over them unless proven otherwise via court order, etc. In addition, while laws differ slightly depending on where you live within US, Canada, UK, and Australia, typically, fathers have an equal right to seek primary physical custody and decision-making authority over his children. This means he has similar protections afforded him regardless if he was legally married prior at time conception occurred, because statutory paternity recognition does exist within most jurisdictions today, as America and other Commonwealth countries, so long as father publicly acknowledges his progeny first birth, then goes ahead registers name alongside mothers thereof, thus creating extended familial ties, a biological relationship acknowledgement, thereby giving dad rightful claim over his progeny even post-separation divorce period later down line. As someone who works with men every day during their often difficult times dealing with family breakups, my advice would always remain focused firstly on salvaging existing marriages wherever possible, instead suggesting alternatives, such seeking counseling options together via personal referral agencies like Relate, etc., plus attending organized classes aimed at improving communication skills inside marital framework, again, provided local services offer same nearby sites near user address. Only after actively trying those methods and successfully, one consider pursuing official dissolution papers eventually, since clearly separation outcomes aren't always desirable or indeed beneficial overall, especially financially speaking, given current economic climate now present worldwide, barring exceptional circumstances, say involving abuse, mental, physical, emotional, psychological forms heretofore aforementioned. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website Divorce Lab Pro. We will connect you with pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro. Family law and types of family law for a man. Understand the legal implications of marriage, divorce, and other family law matters. This includes understanding the rights and responsibilities that come with each type of relationship. Be aware that in some countries, for example, USA, UK, Australia, there are different types of family law such as common law marriages or civil unions, which may have different rules than traditional marriages when it comes to dissolution or separation. Consider all options before filing for divorce, including counseling services or mediation to help resolve issues without going through court proceedings. Seek out experienced legal advice from an attorney who specializes in family law if you decide to pursue a divorce petition, so you understand your rights and obligations under the applicable laws in your jurisdiction. Take into account any children involved when making decisions about filing for divorce. Consider their best interests first and foremost throughout the process. Make sure both parties are on equal footing during negotiations by having separate attorneys representing each party's interests instead of relying on one lawyer to represent both sides equally well. This will ensure fairness is maintained throughout negotiations, court proceedings if necessary. If possible, try not to involve third parties such as friends or relatives in discussions related to marital disputes. These can often lead to further complications down the line due to misunderstandings between those involved, which could potentially be avoided altogether by keeping things private between just two people at all times, i.e., husband and wife. Respectfully communicate with your spouse even if disagreements arise. Remember that communication is key when trying to work through difficult situations together rather than resorting immediately towards litigation, divorce petitions, etc. Try not let emotions get too heated during conversations regarding potential divorces. Take time away from each other if needed, but always remain respectful no matter what happens during discussions about dissolving a marriage. Legally speaking, this also applies outside courtrooms too. Don't forget about financial considerations associated with getting divorced. Make sure assets are divided fairly according to relevant laws within respective jurisdictions, while taking into account any prenuptial agreements signed prior entering into matrimony, etc. Remember that child custody arrangements should be made based upon what is best for kids involved rather than personal feelings towards either parents. Seek professional guidance where necessary so everyone understands their roles clearly moving forward after dissolution has been finalized officially via courts, etc. Avoid using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. to vent frustrations related directly linked back towards former spouses, as this could potentially cause more harm than good, especially considering how public these sites tend to be nowadays. Always keep records pertaining specifically relating finances shared between couples over course duration spent married. Bank statements showing joint accounts held jointly, owned property deeds, tax returns, investments made together, etc. as these might become important later down line depending upon individual circumstances surrounding particular case being dealt with currently. Don't forget about health insurance coverage once separated, since many policies require individuals stay married or to receive benefits provided under plan originally taken out whilst still living same household, i.e. medical bills, prescriptions, medications, dental care, vision tests, hospital visits, emergency room trips, doctor appointments, physical therapy sessions, mental health treatments, rehabilitation programs, home health care aids, hospice care, nursing homes, long-term facilities, assisted living centers, adult daycare centers, respite services, transportation costs, meal delivery services, housekeeping assistance, pet sitting, errand running, grocery shopping, yard maintenance, snow removal, lawn mowing, pool cleaning, window washing, gutter cleaning, roof repairs, painting, interior decorating, furniture assembly, appliance installation, plumbing, electrical installations, HVAC system repair, air duct cleaning, chimney sweeping, pest control, rodent extermination, tree trimming, landscaping, gardening, flower planting, outdoor lighting, security systems, surveillance cameras, alarm systems, locksmith services, garage door open installation, driveway sealing, asphalt patching, concrete pouring, fence building, deck staining, power washing, pressure washing, siding replacement, window replacement, skylight installation, solar panel installation, insulation upgrade, trades: attic ventilation, fan installation, dryer vent cleaning, gutter guard installment, drain barrel setup, water softener system installers, septic tank pumping, sewage treatment plant maintenance, storm water management solutions, flood prevention strategies, erosion control measures, soil testing, fertilizer application, weed killing, fertilizing, mulching, pruning, shrubbery shaping, hedge trimming, bushwhacking, leaf blowing, debris hauling, junk removal, dumpster rental, waste disposal, recycling, collection, hazardous material pickup, trash compactor, sales service, garbage disposals, ice maker machines, refrigerator repair, freezes, servicing, oven range, stove top, hood, exhaust fan, dishwasher, washer dryer combo unit, laundry center, stackable units, front loading, top loading, high efficiency model, steam cycle settings, Energy Star certified appliances, clothes line, drying rack, indoor air quality monitoring, mold remediation, radon gas detection, carbon monoxide detectors, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, sprinkler systems, fire suppression systems, natural gas leak detection, propane tank refilling, generator sales service, transfer switch hookup, surge protection outlets, GFCI receptacles, wiring, rewiring, circuit breaker panels, fuse boxes, grounding rods, lightning rod installations, telephone jack, cable TV outlet, satellite. Divorce is never easy, and navigating the family laws surrounding it can seem very daunting at times, but understanding your rights can help make things run smoother so that you don't miss any opportunities that could benefit you during this tough time. Always remember, though, that although filing for divorce may sound appealing, initially working towards saving your marriage should always come first whenever feasible, particularly if potential financial hardship resulting from split looms large. Afterward, course action taken earlier, better preventative measure, potentially reducing further risks associated future disputes once finalized. Though please keep in mind every situation unique, hence consulting qualified attorney. View individual case details recommended prior taking steps forward, whatever kind needed. Ensure results desired. One's achieved maximum gains possible, accomplishing said goal safely, securely nonetheless. Thank watching. Stay tuned. Upcoming videos soon. Bye now. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro.